Hi, okay, welcome back. So now we will install pipenv to your Python. It is useful to isolate your current project dependencies. First, you open up your command prompt like so, and then once you find it like so, we will type. You can do it in any directories. Okay, so you just pip install pipenv like so, and enter. It will connect the internet and install the pipenv. Okay, almost done. Okay, it's install another dependencies. Okay. So okay, it's done. So you can clear the your command prompt. Okay, like that, and it's already installed. That is pipenv. Then we will use that later. Thank you.